In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook Search not working. If your Outlook Search is not finding emails correctly, showing incomplete results, or not returning anything at all, there's a good chance the issue is related to your indexing settings. The good news is that this is usually a simple fix, and I'll walk you through it step by step in a clear and easy way. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, go to the top left corner and click on File. This will open the Outlook settings area where you can manage different options related to how the app works. From there, click on Options. A new window will appear with a list of categories on the left-hand side. In that window, click on Search. This section controls how Outlook handles searches and how much of your mailbox is included when results are shown. Now look for the setting that allows you to choose what Outlook searches through and select All Mailboxes. This is important because if Outlook is only searching the current folder or a limited part of your account, it may seem like search is broken when it's actually just restricted. Choosing all mailboxes helps make sure Outlook looks across all of your available mail data. Next, click on Indexing Options. This opens the Windows Search indexing settings that Outlook relies on to find your email content quickly. In this window, click Modify. You'll now see a list of locations and folders that can be indexed. Carefully check all of these folders so they are included. This step helps confirm that the email data Outlook uses is actually part of the search index. Once everything is checked, click OK. After that, click Advanced. In the Advanced Options window, find and click Rebuild. When you do this, Windows will recreate the search index from scratch. If the index has become corrupted or incomplete, rebuilding it can often resolve search problems in Outlook. You may see a confirmation message letting you know that rebuilding the index can take some time. Click OK to continue. Once that's done, click Close to exit the indexing settings. Keep in mind that after rebuilding the index, Outlook Search may not work perfectly right away. It can take some time for Windows to reindex all your emails, especially if you have a large mailbox. During that time, search results may gradually improve as indexing completes. And that's it. That's how to fix Outlook Search not working by adjusting the search scope, checking indexed folders, and rebuilding the index.